Hey guys, welcome back to another Justmeta AI Creator tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about how you can use Justmeta to create blog titles. So today we're going to go to the AI panel off the dashboard and go down to templates. So one of the templates is called blog titles. You can find it under the blog post section or down here. Once you click in, it will bring up a blog title generator. So this is a pretty easy to use tool, very simple. So what you want to do is say, what is your blog about? So I'm going to pretend I'm a real estate agent. I'm trying to sell a house. So I want to do a blog post about how interest rates impact the monthly payment on a home at various loan term lengths. Right. So then you can, as always, select the level of creativity and the tone of voice. So what I want to do for this one is I want it to be informative. And then it will generate some blog titles for me to take a look at. So the crucial connection, how interest rates affect your home's monthly payment, unveiling the power of interest rates, understanding their impact on your mortgage payments, right? Decoding the numbers, how interest rates impact your monthly mortgage payment, right? Like these are all pretty good titles. They have a lot of my keywords in them. They're very relevant to what my article is about. And I get 10 results. And if I don't, for some reason, like any of these, I can try to generate some more. I can change the tone of voice. So let's go with maybe playful, right? And we can just get another 10 examples, right? And we can look through these. So from whispers to roars, how interest rates can make or break your dream home, right? These are a little more fun, cracking the code, how loan term lengths and interest rates play hide and seek with your wallet, right? These are pretty fun. So, this is how you create blog titles that are captivating, they're well written, and they can happen within just a couple clicks of a mouse. So Justmeta is a great tool for choosing your blog title. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Please join us on the next one. We have over 70 templates available at launch.